Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to easily transcribe audio into text using Microsoft Word. To use this feature, you'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription. Once you're set, open Microsoft Word and go to the Home tab. On the right-hand side of the ribbon, you'll see the Voice section. Here you'll find two options, Dictate and Transcribe. Dictate gives you real-time transcription as you speak, but if you already have a recording or you want to record now and convert later, select Transcribe. This will open the Transcribe pane on the right. From here, you can choose your language and either upload an existing audio or video file or start recording directly in Word. Once you upload or finish recording, Word will process the file through OneDrive and give you a full transcript. The transcript shows speaker names, timestamps, and the full text. You can edit names, fix text, or add specific sections into your Word document. If you prefer, you can insert the entire transcript as plain text or include speakers and timestamps for more detail. You'll also get a backup copy of the recording saved in your OneDrive under a folder called Transcribed Files so you can access it anytime. That's it. Thanks for watching at the Auxam. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.